All right, explain this to me like I'm a 2-year-old, okay? Because there's an element to this thing I just cannot get through my thick head.
Pieces of millionaire advice, but they are from the Bible, and we're starting off strong with number one, because number one is to diversify everything. Diversification is not a new concept. It is in the Bible in multiple places, but Ecclesiastes 11:2 says, "But divide your investments among many places, for you do not know what risks might lie ahead." If all your time is spent in one place, you need to diversify. If all your income comes from one source, you need to diversify. If you only have one skill, get another one. Crazy enough, advice number 2 comes just 2 verses down, Ecclesiastes 11:4. Farmers who wait for perfect weather never plant. If they watch every cloud, they never harvest. If there is something you need to do, you need to just do it. A perfect time does not exist for you to start something. There will always be something that comes up. There will always be an excuse not to do it, but those perfect times don't exist. So just start. Advice number 3 is for all of you who like to spend too much money, because Proverbs 21:20 says, "The wise have wealth and luxury, but fools spend whatever they get." Stop worrying about what you look like. Start worrying about actually being rich instead of looking rich.